Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for May 24th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news. Ready to jumpstart your AI career with this week's hottest insights? AI 101 Concept of the Week. What it is: AI voice resurrection uses machine learning to recreate a person's voice from audio data to generate new speech. Analogy: it's like restoring an old damaged vinyl record so you can listen to the same music again and even create new mixes. How it works: 1. AI analyzes spectrogram images, which are visual maps of sound frequencies. 2. It learns unique voice patterns from existing cockpit recordings. 3. It synthesizes new voice data that sounds like the original pilot. Real example: the AI used to resurrect voices of deceased pilots from cockpit recordings, leading to NTSB temporarily blocking docket access. Why you should care: understanding AI voice synthesis opens doors in audio tech, digital forensics, and ethical AI roles. AI jobs and skills this week. AI ethics specialist at Aviation Safety Org, 90K 130K. Skills: AI ethics, data privacy, policy analysis. AI product manager, Amazon Wearables, 110 to 150K. Skills: product strategy, AI integration, user experience. Machine learning engineer at IBM Scuderia Ferrari, 120K 160K. Skills: ML modeling, cloud AI, data engineering. Renewable energy data scientist, Clean Spark, 100 to 140K. Skills: data analysis, AI forecasting, energy systems. Hottest role this week: AI ethics specialist, due to growing privacy concerns from AI wearables like Amazon's Bee. AI voice synthesis, rising demand as AI recreates human voices. Learn in 6 weeks. Cloud AI platforms, essential for deploying AI models this week. Learn in 4 weeks. AI ethics and privacy, critical with wearables and data use. Learn in 3 weeks. If you learn one thing this week: AI voice synthesis, directly tied to emerging tech and ethical challenges. AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT, AI chatbot for writing and brainstorming ideas. Beginners and students. Freemium. Runway ML, easy AI video and image editing. Creatives and marketers. Freemium. Google Colab Coding, free Jupyter notebooks to practice coding AI models. Students and developers. Free. Loeb, no-code ML, build simple AI models with drag-and-drop interface. Beginners with zero code. Free. Wolfram Alpha, research, computational knowledge engine to explore AI concepts. Students and curious learners. Freemium. Best starting point: ChatGPT, intuitive, versatile, and perfect for beginners to explore AI writing and coding ideas. Cloud AI for developers, compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for beginners with Microsoft integration. $200 credits. Start /portal.azure.com/createMicrosoft.cognitive services AWS Bedrock. Best for scalable AI apps with multiple foundation models. Free, 12 months free tier with limited calls. Start AWS Console, Bedrock Service, Google, Gemini API. Best for natural language and multimodal AI. Free, $300 credits for new users. Start course.consultcloud.google.com/APIs library, gemini.googleapps.com. Azure OpenAI is easiest for complete beginners due to clear documentation and integration with tools like Microsoft Word. First action: sign up for free Azure account and activate OpenAI service. Career action plan. News: Amazon launched Bee, an AI wearable combining convenience and privacy concerns. Opportunity: this sparks demand for AI ethics experts and product managers who can balance tech innovation with privacy. Your action: take the AI ethics and privacy course on Coursera, coursera.org/learn AI-ethics, and update LinkedIn skills. Result: you'll stand out to 75% of employers looking for ethical AI talent in product roles. Free resource of the week: Elements of AI, elementsofai.com. What you'll learn: AI basics, ethical considerations, real-world applications. Time: 15 hours. Level beginner, free yes. Why now? Perfect for understanding ethics behind AI wearables like Amazon's Bee. Week in brief, Amazon Bee Wearable combines convenience with privacy worries. Know this if exploring AI hardware jobs. Ferrari's IBM AI, innovating fan experiences in Formula One, great for AI product and data roles. Elon Musk AI shift from solar to natural gas focus signals changing AI energy tech landscape. AI voice resurrection, used to recreate dead pilots' voices, highlights emerging AI ethics challenges. Google Pixel Disco icons, fun AI UI updates, shows AI's role in consumer apps. The one thing to remember this week: AI ethics and privacy skills are becoming critical as AI enters personal devices. Conclusion and key takeaways. You're already ahead of 90% of AI job seekers just by watching and learning this week. Stay tuned next Sunday for how quantum computing is shaping AI careers. Don't forget, subscribe and come back every Sunday at 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. What is your biggest AI question this week? Drop it below. I read every comment.